Hey, my name's Johnny. I'm with Industrial Electric Motor Service, and today we will be removing and replacing an old sight glass. First thing we want to do is make sure we get the oil drained, because if not, you'll end up spilling it all over the floor. After that, as you can see, it's a little bit hard to read in there, so we're just going to take a little long-handled crowbar or screwdriver, hammer, pop it right out. After that's popped, you'll see we've got some of the old sealant still in here that we're gonna have to remove. So for right now, just take a little scraper, scrape most of that off. And take a little sandpaper. Get it nice and clean. And of course, this is more of an option for a quick change out in the field instead of in shop. In shop, we'd take it apart, make sure everything's very clean, and then we'd proceed to put it in. But for today's purpose, just gonna do an in the field type. Take a little bit of Permatex, gasket sealant, you're gonna want to get a nice little layer on the inside of that fit right there. The reason we use the sealant is because we don't want any leakage from the outer surface of here. We want a nice tight fit, good seal. And to reinstall, want to make sure everything's nice, leveled out, get a nice flat piece. We use a nice bearing driver here in the shop. Tap it in flush, and there we go. And that is a quick replacement of a sight glass in the field. Like I said before, in shop, everything is cleaned and prepared, but out in the field, usually you deal with what you got. If you're doing this out there and run into any problems, questions, concerns, feel free to call Industrial Electric Motor Service and we will be happy to help.